Pulling up here to my local Harbor Freight to get my dream box. So I'm gonna get this white one. This seems beautiful. I think it seems strong. Telling me I could run this thing over to my truck and take it in and get a new one because I got the extended warranty on it.
Yep.
That's crazy.
You can do whatever you want to it.
Huh?
You can do whatever you want to it. Bring it back in pieces. We'll give you another one.
Really?
Yep. Same with the generators. If you buy an ESP on it, you've already bought it. Like the those big 97.
So there it is. There's my receipt. I got the repair plan. So here it is. I'm assembling this. It's going pretty good so far. We'll take a look at it when it's done. So here it is, all put together. All tightened up. Wasn't a bad install. You know, unwrapping and putting it all together. About 45 minutes maybe. I mean, I like the colors of it. It seems pretty strong. This is it compared to my other box. So it's just a little guy. But it seems pretty durable. But how durable is it? Let's go find out. So we're back here at Harbor Freight. Let's see how strong this box is. So how strong is it? This truck weighs 13,000 plus pounds. It's probably got, I don't know, 150 gallons of fuel in it right now. This lift is capable of picking up a little over 7,000 pounds. Let's see what does this cart. Picking up the bolts off the bottom of my truck. This truck is completely in there. I'm right here still in the Harbor Freight parking lot. I'm gonna have to say I'm pretty impressed. I mean, who would have thought that? This is a Duramax crew cab dually 4-wheel drive. So this are the results. I mean, it's kind of buckled. I mean, it does move. Let's see if we can get this thing unlocked. She's not wanting to lock. Let me try it with some force. I'll be right back. Okay, I did get the cart unlocked. The drawer still open. I mean, it's kind of tweaked. What do you think, guys? Should we make there a part 2? Find out in the next video. We'll see if we can destroy this anymore, then see what the procedure of taking it back is, and will they accept it like they said they will. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And I'm also giving away a RC Snap-on car. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, we're almost to 500, and I appreciate all subscribers so far. But thank you, guys.